Today we're going to look at two different ways in Notion to create columns so we can create more exciting layouts. I'm going to recreate this two-column task list layout, which is divided into personal and professional tasks. So let's create a new page, and the first method I'm going to use is using drag and drop. So we'll write our two subheadings on, personal and professional, and then what you need to do is locate the 6 dots to the left of any block and drag it right over to the right hand side. And when that blue line becomes a vertical line, it will create a new column. And then once you have those columns in place, you can actually insert your list items. So in this case, we're going to put some check boxes in, and the shortcut to do that is Control-Shift-4 or Command-Option-4 if you're on a Mac. And then I'll just copy those down and then do the same exactly for the other side. And then we'll come over to these headings. We'll make these into H3 headings, which the shortcut is Control-Shift-3 or Command-Option-3 on a Mac. Then we can just put some colours behind these headings. I think we'll make this one blue coloured. And it starts to look quite presentable already. If you want to change the widths of the different columns, you can do that by dragging the grey bar in between the columns and adjusting it as you want. If you want to add other columns, you can do that quite easily just by creating a new block and again pulling it over to the right hand side, and then you can format it as you wish. So I think we'll make this one a green background, and then we're ready to put our list items in there. So let's look at the second method, which is the command method, and we'll click on a new block and put / and then start typing column. You have the option of creating 2, 3, 4 or 5 columns. I've chosen 4 here. Now it doesn't look like much has happened, but I'll just paste some text in here so you can actually see what the 4 columns actually look like. Now these look okay, but it looks a bit squashed up. So if you go to the top right and then click on full width, it actually fills the page, and this will be ideal for a home page or maybe a dashboard. And there you have it, 2 different ways to create columns in Notion. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up, and until next time, keep on boosting your output.